Few machines capture the essence of national military philosophy like main battle tanks. And in Europe, none do it better than the French Leclerc and the German Leopard 2. These two armored giants were shaped by the same Cold War threat, but took radically different paths to answer it. The Leclerc is a sleek, high-tech predator built around speed, automation, and advanced systems, a tank designed to strike first and move fast. The Leopard 2, by contrast, is a powerhouse of balanced engineering, combining firepower, armor, and dependability into a battlefield juggernaut. Both are devastatingly effective, yet their designs reflect two very different visions of what it takes to win in modern warfare. The Leclerc main battle tank stands as a testament to France's commitment to independent defense innovation. Developed by Giet Industries, now part of KNDS France, in the late 20th century, the Leclerc was introduced to replace the aging AMX-30 and to assert France's technological prowess in armored warfare. Named in honor of Marshal Philippe Leclerc de Hautecloque, a revered World War II commander, the tank embodies a blend of advanced engineering and strategic foresight. Entering service with the French Army in 1992, the Leclerc was among the first Western tanks to feature a fully automated loading system, reducing crew requirements and enhancing firing efficiency. If you believe the Abrams is the cornerstone of NATO's armored might, it's time to reconsider. The Leopard 2, a product of Cold War urgency, was developed to counter the Soviet Union's massive numerical edge in armor, outnumbering NATO nearly 3-1. It was purpose-built to dominate Soviet armor, and its innovations were so significant that even the M1 Abrams borrowed from its blueprints. With unmatched lethality and modern engineering, the Leopard 2 quickly established itself as a battlefield apex predator and remains a benchmark of armored warfare today. At the core of the Leopard 2's design was a deliberate pursuit of balance between protection, mobility, and firepower. Where other main battle tanks of the era often prioritized one capability at the cost of another, the Leopard 2 was engineered to harmonize all three. This commitment to versatility made it one of the most effective and adaptable armored platforms ever built. The Leclerc main battle tank exhibits a compact yet formidable design tailored for modern armored warfare. With its 120mm smoothbore gun oriented forward, the tank measures approximately 32.4 feet in length, excluding the gun. The hull itself spans around 22.6 feet. The vehicle's width is around 11.8 feet, and it stands at a height of roughly 8.3 feet to the turret roof. These dimensions contribute to the Leclerc's agility and maneuverability on the battlefield, enabling it to navigate diverse terrains while maintaining a low profile to minimize exposure to enemy fire. The Leclerc main battle tank, developed by France's Nexter Systems, stands out as one of the lightest Western MBTs, with its combat weight varying across different versions. The initial Series 1 models weigh approximately 54.5 tons, while the Series 2 and Series 11 variants have increased weights of around 56.3 tons and 57.4 tons respectively, due to added armor and upgraded systems. The latest Leclerc XLR, part of Spain's Scorpion modernization program, has a combat weight of about 57 tons. This increase accommodates enhancements such as modular armor, advanced electronics, and improved battlefield connectivity. In terms of size, both the Leopard 2A7 and the newer 2A8 maintain a commanding presence on the battlefield. They measure approximately 36 feet in length with the gun forward, around 13.1 feet in width, and stand about 9.8 feet tall to the top of the turret. These dimensions reflect not only the tank's considerable firepower and protection systems, but also its ability to accommodate advanced electronics and crew survivability
features. The increase in size over earlier models is a direct result of additional armor modules, upgraded situational awareness systems, and integrated active protection systems in the 2A8, all of which are geared toward countering modern threats such as top attack munitions and anti-tank guided missiles. The Leopard 2A7 has a combat weight of approximately 68 tons, reflecting the integration of additional armor and advanced systems designed to enhance battlefield survivability. The Leopard 2A8, the latest variant, maintains a similar weight profile, ranging between 65 and 67 tons, depending on specific configurations and the inclusion of systems like the Trophy Active Protection System. The Leclerc's armor and protection systems reflect France's emphasis on survivability through advanced engineering rather than sheer mass. At the heart of the tank's defensive capabilities lies its modular composite armor, which can be readily replaced or upgraded in the field, a key feature that allows the Leclerc to adapt to evolving threats. The core structure integrates welded steel with ceramic and titanium inserts, offering a balanced protection-to-weight ratio against both kinetic energy penetrators and shaped charges. While specific armor thicknesses remain classified, the Leclerc's protection levels are considered on par with Western counterparts, like the Leopard 2 and M1A2 Abrams. Additionally, the tank incorporates a nuclear, biological, and chemical protection system, automatic fire suppression units, and a suite of electronic countermeasures. These include the Galax self-defense system, capable of deploying smoke grenades, infrared screening charges, and decoys to disrupt enemy targeting systems. In its latest XLR upgrade, the Leclerc benefits from enhanced protection modules, particularly against improvised explosive devices and anti-tank mines, reinforcing its role in asymmetric warfare environments. The Leopard 2 employs a multi-layered spaced armor design throughout its structure. This complex armor is constructed from steel plates of diverse hardness levels, combined with elastic substances and other non-metallic components. It's been speculated that the tank might use what's known as Burlington armor, a composite matrix reportedly developed by the United Kingdom and shared with West Germany. Additional layers of armor are bolted onto the face of the turret on Leopards of the A5 variant and later versions to protect the tank from a frontal assault. In this upgrade, the roof covering and armor modules is cut open, and new armor modules are inserted to offer better protection against modern AT systems like Javelin. The A7 Plus variant has a passive, all-around protection for the crew from threats such as IEDs, mines, or anti-tank fire. For urban combat, the Leopard 2 can be outfitted with various modular armor packages. The design of the Leopard 2 adheres to the concept of compartmentation. Possible fire or explosion sources have been relocated away from the crew. The blow-off panels on the compartment roofs will direct the explosion and fire away from the crew in the event of a detonation. The Leopard 2 is equipped with a Dragger NBC overpressurization system to protect the crew from nuclear, biological, and chemical threats. What about their mobility? The Leclerc's engine and mobility are central to its reputation as one of the most agile main battle tanks in the world. Powered by the French-developed SACM V8X 1500 hyperbar diesel engine, the Leclerc produces 1,500 horsepower and is paired with an automatic SESM ESM 500 transmission system, which includes 5 forward and 2 reverse gears. This powertrain enables the 60-ton tank to reach a top road speed of about 45 miles per hour and an acceleration from 0 to 20 miles per hour in just 6 seconds, figures that rival lighter armored vehicles. The Leclerc's hydro-pneumatic suspension system further enhances cross-country mobility, allowing the tank to adjust its ground clearance and adapt to rough, uneven terrain with exceptional stability and crew comfort. Its